Today's lesson is Chapter 2, Lesson 7, Multiply and Divide Mixed Numbers. Our objective is 6.3e. I can multiply and divide positive rational numbers fluently. Number 1, we are going to determine 1/3 times 1 3/4 and write in simplest form. Step 1, we need to write our mixed number as an improper fraction. So we have 1/3 times 1 3/4. Which factor is a mixed number? Well, the factor that has a whole number part and a fractional part is our mixed number. So we have 1 3/4 because I have a whole number part and a fractional part. To change our mixed number to an improper fraction, you multiply your denominator times your whole number and then add your numerator. So 4 times 1 gives me 4 times 1 gives me 4, plus 3 more gives me 7. That's your numerator. Your denominator stays the same. So now we have our improper fraction because our numerator is bigger than our denominator. That's how you know it's improper. Now we can multiply. I have 1/3 times 7/4. We know that we multiply our numerators together and our denominators together. So I'm going to draw a line straight across like that. 1 times 7 gives me 7. 3 times 4 gives me 12. Step 3 is to simplify. Well, 7/12 already is in simplest form, so I know 1/3 times 1 3/4 gives us a product of 7/12. Okay. Number 2. Determine 1 3/4 divided by 2/5 and write in simplest form. So our first step is to write our mixed number as an improper fraction. Which factor has a whole number part and a fractional part? It would be the first factor. I have a whole number part and a fractional part. Our second factor is only a fraction. So I'm going to take my 1 3/4 and change it to an improper fraction by multiplying my denominator times my whole number, 4 times 1, which is 4, and then add the numerator. So 4, 5, 6, 7 fourths, because your denominator stays the same. So now you have your improper fraction. Okay, step 2, we're going to divide using our keep, change, flip. So our equation with our improper fraction, 7/4 divided by 2/5. We're going to keep the first factor, change to multiplication, and multiply by the reciprocal, meaning we're flipping our second one. So we have 7/4 times the reciprocal of 2/5 is 5/2. Okay, and now we're going to multiply like normal. So 7 times 5 gives me 35. 4 times 2 gives me 8. So this is another improper fraction because my numerator is bigger than my denominator. So step 3 is to simplify. So 35/8. We're going to simplify by using top dog gets the house. 8 cannot go into 3. 8 times 0 is 0. 3, bring down my 5. 8 can go into 35 4 whole times. 4 times 8 is 32, and I have a remainder of 3. So your mixed number, I have 4 wholes. Our numerator is our remainder. Our denominator is our divisor. So our answer is 4 3/8. So if we go back up here, our answer is 4 3/8. So 1 3/4 divided by 2/5 is equal to 4 3/8. All right, And that's it, guys. Make sure you bring your notes to class tomorrow. I'll see you then.